First ingredients. We will start with the liquid ingredients. Add the eggs. Then add the vanilla and vinegar. Mix everything together for a few seconds until well combined. Now add the sugar and continue mixing. Pour in the oil and keep mixing. Until the texture becomes smooth and creamy. Next, it's time for the dry ingredients. Add the flour, tell me in the comments, do you prefer vanilla cupcakes or chocolate cupcakes? Baking powder, and gently mix them together. Now gradually combine the dry ingredients with the liquid mixture. Mix slightly, then pour in the boiled milk. Continue mixing until the batter becomes smooth, soft and perfectly combined. Transfer the batter into a pouring container to make filling easier. While filling the tray, preheat the oven for 10 minutes. Bake the cupcakes for around 20 minutes. To check if they are done, insert a knife into the center of a cupcake. If it comes out clean with no batter, your cupcakes are perfectly baked. And here is the final result. Soft, fluffy, golden homemade cupcakes with an amazing texture. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share it with someone who loves homemade dessert. Enjoy!